Everyone makes mistakes. You make mistakes. I make mistakes. Sometimes we are late. Sometimes we forget things. Sometimes we do something wrong. When you make a mistake, you need to say sorry. But in English, there are many ways to apologize. Not only sorry. Some ways are friendly. Some ways are polite. Some ways are good for work. In this lesson, you will learn 50 easy English phrases. To apologize. These phrases are simple. These phrases are useful. You can use them every day. You will listen. You will repeat. You will speak. Stay until the end. Your English will sound more natural. Your English will sound more polite. Before we start, let me show you how to use this video. This is very important, especially for beginners. First, listen. Just listen. Do not speak yet. Listen to my voice. Listen to the words. Listen to the sound. Second, repeat. Speak with me. Speak slowly. Do not rush. Do not worry about mistakes. Third, speak out loud. Use your voice. Open your mouth. Do not speak in your head. Speak out loud. You can pause the video. If you need more time, you can repeat again and repeat again. Practice is the key. The more you practice, the better you speak. Let's start with some very easy phrases. These phrases help warm up your ears and your mouth. Please listen first, then repeat after me. Phrase 1. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Example. Sorry about that. Phrase 2. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Example. I'm sorry I'm late. Phrase 3. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Example. Sorry about that mistake. Phrase 4. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. Example. Sorry for that delay. Phrase 5. My bad. My bad. My bad. Example. My bad. I forgot. Now let's move to daily apology phrases. These phrases are very common. You can use them with family, friends, and people you know. Please listen carefully. Each phrase is read 2 times. Then listen to the example. After that, pause and repeat. Phrase 6. Sorry I'm late. Sorry I'm late. Sorry I'm late. Example. Sorry I'm late today. Phrase 7. Sorry about yesterday. Sorry about yesterday. Sorry about yesterday. Example. Sorry about yesterday, my friend. Phrase 8. Sorry for the delay. Sorry for the delay. Sorry for the delay. Example. Sorry for the delay today. Phrase 9. Sorry for the mistake. Sorry for the mistake. Sorry for the mistake. Example. Sorry for the mistake here. Phrase 10. Sorry I forgot. Sorry I forgot. Sorry I forgot. Example. Sorry I forgot your name. Phrase 11. Sorry I missed it. Sorry I missed it. Sorry I missed it. Example. Sorry I missed your call. Phrase 12. Sorry about the mess. Sorry about the mess. Sorry about the mess. Example. Sorry about the mess here. Phrase 13. Sorry about the noise. Sorry about the noise. Sorry about the noise. Example. Sorry about the noise outside. Phrase 14. Sorry, I didn't know. Sorry, I didn't know. Sorry, I didn't know. Example. Sorry, I didn't know that. Phrase 15. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Example. Sorry about that problem. Phrase 16. Sorry, I was wrong. Sorry, I was wrong. Sorry, I was wrong. Example. Sorry, I was wrong here. Phrase 17. Sorry for the trouble. Sorry for the trouble. Sorry for the trouble. Example. Sorry for the trouble today. Phrase 18. Sorry, I made a mistake. Sorry, I made a mistake. Sorry, I made a mistake. Example. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Phrase 19. Sorry about the delay today. Sorry about the delay today. Sorry about the delay today. Example. Sorry about the delay today. Phrase 20. Sorry, I didn't mean that. Sorry, I didn't mean that. Sorry, I didn't mean that. Example. Sorry, I didn't mean that. You just practiced many daily apology phrases. These are phrases you can use every day in real life. In the next part, you will learn more polite phrases and work apology phrases. Now, let's move to polite and work apology phrases. These phrases are very useful for work, emails, and meetings. They sound polite, calm, and professional. But don't worry, they are still easy. You can use them at A1, A2 level. Listen first, then repeat. Phrase 21. I'm sorry for the delay. I'm sorry for the delay. I'm sorry for the delay. Example. I'm sorry for the delay today. This phrase is polite, good for work and emails. Phrase 22. I'm sorry about the issue. I'm sorry about the issue. I'm sorry about the issue. Example. I'm sorry about the issue today. Issue means a problem. Phrase 23. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience. Example. Sorry for the inconvenience today. Inconvenience means trouble for others. This phrase is very polite. Phrase 24. I apologize for the mistake. I apologize for the mistake. I apologize for the mistake. Example. I apologize for the mistake. Apologize is more formal than sorry. Phrase 25. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. Example. Thank you for your patience today. This is an indirect apology. You say thank you instead of sorry. Phrase 26. I'm sorry for the confusion. I'm sorry for the confusion. I'm sorry for the confusion. Example. I'm sorry for the confusion. Confusion means things were not clear. Phrase 27. Sorry for the late reply. Sorry for the late reply. Sorry for the late reply. Example. Sorry for the late reply today. Great for emails and messages. Phrase 28. I'm sorry this took so long. I'm sorry this took so long. I'm sorry this took so long. Example. I'm sorry this took so long. This sounds calm and honest. Phrase 29. Sorry for the delay in response. Sorry for the delay in response. Sorry for the delay in response. Example. Sorry for the delay in response. Very common in emails. Phrase 30. I'm sorry for any trouble. I'm sorry for any trouble. I'm sorry for any trouble. Example. I'm sorry for any trouble today. Polite and professional. Phrase 31. Please accept my apology. Please accept my apology. Please accept my apology. Example. Please accept my apology. Very polite. Good for serious situations. Phrase 32. I'm sorry about that mistake. I'm sorry about that mistake. I'm sorry about that mistake. Phrase 33. Sorry for the misunderstanding. Sorry for the misunderstanding. Sorry for the misunderstanding. Phrase 34. I apologize for the delay. I apologize for the delay. I apologize for the delay. Phrase 35. Thank you for your understanding. Thank you for your understanding. Thank you for your understanding. Now you know polite and work apology phrases. This makes your English sound professional. Now it's time to practice speaking. I will read a situation, then pause. You say the apology phrase. Then I will say the answer. Let's begin. You're late. I'm sorry I'm late. There is a mistake. Sorry about the mistake. The reply is late. Sorry for the late reply. There is a delay. I'm sorry for the delay. There is confusion. I'm sorry for the confusion. You caused trouble. Sorry for the inconvenience. You made a mistake. I apologize for the mistake. The email took long. I'm sorry this took so long. Someone waited. Thank you for your patience. There was a misunderstanding. Sorry for the misunderstanding. Now it's time for full shadowing. Listen and repeat. Speak with me.
No pause. Slow speed.
Ready? Let's begin. Sorry.
I'm sorry. Sorry about that. Sorry for that.
My bad. Sorry I'm late. Sorry about yesterday. Sorry for the delay. Sorry for the mistake. Sorry I forgot. Sorry I missed it. Sorry about the mess. Sorry about the noise. Sorry I didn't know. Sorry I was wrong. Sorry for the trouble. Sorry I made a mistake. Sorry about the delay today. Sorry, I didn't mean that. I'm sorry for the delay. I'm sorry about the issue. Sorry for the inconvenience. I apologize for the mistake. Thank you for your patience. I'm sorry for the confusion. Sorry for the late reply. I'm sorry this took so long. Sorry for the delay in response. I'm sorry for any trouble. Please accept my apology. I'm sorry about that mistake. Sorry for the misunderstanding. I apologize for the delay. Thank you for your understanding. Sorry about the problem. I'm sorry about the problem. Sorry for the wait. I'm sorry for the wait. Sorry for the mix-up. I'm sorry about the mix-up. Sorry I wasn't clear. I'm sorry I wasn't clear. Sorry for the error. I'm sorry for the error. Sorry about the delay again. I'm sorry about the delay again. Sorry for any mistake. I'm sorry for any mistake. Sorry about everything. I'm sorry about everything. You did a great job today. You listened. You repeated. You spoke English. That is how you improve. Practice every day. Even 10 minutes a day helps. Listen to this lesson again tomorrow. Speak with confidence. If you want more slow English speaking practice, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next lesson.